So you've gotten to the disability section of your annual enrollment packet from your employer, and you scratch your head and you say, why should I buy disability insurance? And I say, why wouldn't you buy disability insurance? For a couple of reasons. Number one, 51 million people in this country don't have disability coverage. Your greatest asset as an employee of whatever company you work for, your greatest asset for your family is your ability to earn an income. And what happens if you can't earn an income? And there's all kinds of reasons why people could become disabled, from musculoskeletal problems, back injuries, cancer, long COVID. Wow, during COVID, we've seen so many new diagnoses that have put people out of work for extended periods of time. Your employer is a wonderful employer, but they're not gonna pay you forever. So you have short-term disability in many cases, and you might have the ability to purchase, or perhaps you have long-term disability coverage through your employer. If you're purchasing this, whether it's a payroll deduction, whatever, I highly recommend you do it. There's a couple things you need to know about disability insurance. Disability insurance replaces part of your income. And on a long-term disability basis, it could perhaps replace your income until normal Social Security retirement age. So for most people that are watching this video, it's probably age 67 or greater. So imagine you're Christopher Reeves. Most of you don't remember who Christopher Reeves is, but if you're of a certain age, you do. He was Superman, and Superman became the poster child for disability insurance. He was riding a horse in Manassas, Virginia, Culpeper, Virginia, in the early 90s, fell off the horse, and he was in a wheelchair for the rest of his life. He was covered under long-term disability, covered 60% of his income until he died. Those are catastrophic disabilities. You don't actually have to have a catastrophic disability to go on claim. A lot of people think that you're going to be eligible for Social Security benefits. Well, let's talk about Social Security benefits. The average disability benefit is $1,300 a month. That's below the poverty line. There's a 400,000 claim backlog. So if you think your Social Security disability is going to get awarded anytime soon, I think it takes about the average time for someone to get a Social Security award is 21 months. What are you going to do for 21 months? Well, hopefully you've got enough income to cover you. Most people only have income to cover them for about 3 months if they couldn't work. So disability insurance is terribly important. It's guaranteed when you're first eligible for benefits. Again, we talk about that initial election period for you. You can change your health insurance every year. You can change your dental insurance every year. But life insurance, you may only get one chance at life insurance. Disability insurance, you might only have one chance to buy disability coverage. So again, should I stay, or should I go? Should I say yes? Should I say no? Yes, say yes to disability coverage. In most cases, you're paying for your disability benefits with pre-tax dollars, which makes it even less expensive for you. And you're making a commitment to your family that if you can't work, somebody's going to pay us 60% of our salary, perhaps until we turn 67 or 68 years of age, if it's a complete total disability. So again, it's AEP season. Get educated, get focused. And if you have any questions, contact the Muneris team. We'll be glad to answer any questions about your disability coverage. Good luck during your annual open enrollment period. Thanks again.